Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Moto G53 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on the smartphone. So, firstly, you need to know that your device have the built-in option to record calls, but in the raw countries, for example, in my country, in all Europe and in United States and in other countries too, you may have blocked this feature. But if in your country, if you are in India, for example, or I don't know, or in Libya, in Syria, of course you have here under block numbers. Under block numbers, you have here feature as call recording. But if you have not this feature, so laws in your country prohibits call recording. So if you want to record calls, you need to use third-party applications, and I suggest to use Cube ACR. So just open Play Store and find Cube Automatically Call Recorder. Click Open, click Next, grant permissions while using allow. Enable App Connector, find Cube ACR here, click Use Connector, allow, go it. Hello, you have not to provide location access. Click no thanks. Okay, go it. Of course, you can pay for premium, but what we have in premium: cloud backups, upload with PIN, install post collections, and no ads. So we have no ads in free version 2, and you can use this application, as you can see, completely for free, and your files will be saved locally. So now click Phone, and great! Now all your calls will be automatically recorded, but you need to open this panel, click on the square button, and then click on the Cube ACR icon, and click App Info. So firstly, let's try to block it in this way, and no, we can't do it. So okay, click App Info, scroll down and find battery here, and choose here Unrestricted. If you will restrict this application will not work in the background. So you need to find here Unrestricted feature and enable it. And okay, now click Display our other apps, click OK, go back, and great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.